Hi, welcome back to the channel. This week we're putting the interior back in the car. We're going to give it a full clean down top to bottom and then start reassembling the interior, and it looks pretty good, so yeah, enjoy. Alright, so here's a bit of a before. These are absolutely shagged. Absolutely wrong. So I'm gonna flip them over, get the insulation off, the old insulation off them, and then get off it. And then give them a pressure wash, carpet clean, final wash, and then I'm gonna leave them out to dry. Right, box off, wire brush time. All right, all wired brushed off. Look, it's not clean, but it's most of it, so I'm pretty happy with that. It's on the underside of the carpet, it doesn't need to be perfect, so pressure washer time. Wowee, what a difference, huh? I mean, obviously they're still wet, but like that's like new carpet. That's unbelievable. Who would have thought that this should be hidden under there? Well, all right, so carpet cleaner, and then I've got a cool little attachment for my drill, which I'll show you. What are you doing? What are you doing? So these are pretty cool, these little attachments. So I think I got like a pack of different ones for like 30 bucks on Amazon. Once again, I'll link it here. So, but yeah, we're gonna just tip carpet cleaner onto the whole thing, give it one real good scrub over, and then hose it all off again, and we'll see what it looks like then. Hopefully we can get this staining out. That's what I'm trying. That's what I'm trying to get out. So, what do you reckon, Win? Any luck? Let's see. And I've used pretty much a full bottle on this one. I'm not quite sure how well I'm going to get. You can see how dark it is, but I reckon it's coming out a little bit, so we'll see. I mean, that looks brand new. A little bit discolored in the middle, but that is just ridiculous. I'm blown away. All right, next one. All right, pretty much 2 seats worth of gunk. You ready? Oh my God, look at the slop at the bottom. Jeez. Winnie. All right, good haul. Look at that. Looks real good. So this will all just start to go in now. This is gonna look sick. I can't remember when I saw it together last. I think it was one of the first things I did was pull this out. So keen. so cool. This is fucking sick. I'm gonna get some photos. So this looks pretty cool. I am really happy with it. There's still a lot to do. Like, we got to get all the panels and cards and trims and all that stuff back in. I've still got to weld up the wheel arch. But yeah, next episode we're replacing this. I'm not replacing it. We're just going to pull it out. Somebody's coming this week to put a new one in. I might throw in a couple other little bits and pieces in that episode as well. But we are getting real close to roadworthy, so stick around, because as soon as this thing's on the road, I'm going away. I'll be gone. Turn my phone off. See you later. So if you want to see that, stick around, because I'm super keen. But anyway, that's it. So hope you enjoy it. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.